Hi, my name is Maria Betances, and for my Stackathon, I worked on a item-based collaborative filtering recommender system for restaurant meals. So basically, based on the meals you've had so far and how similar these meals are to other meals in our system, it would recommend, a meal you haven't had just yet. So the algorithm seems to be working, but the app itself is still work in progress because of the time that we had. I leveraged the Collective Intelligence book. They have a very similar algorithm in Python, so I basically translated that into JavaScript. So the basic idea, since the app itself is still work in progress, is, as you can see in the console, you have a list of users. So we'll have the users that rate the meals they've had. And from there, we take that data and basically transform it so that it's meal-centric. And you can see by meal what each user has had, which user has had that meal and how they've rated it. From there, we go ahead and we use the Pearson correlation coefficient formula, which basically denotes a linear relationship between two sets of data. So the results themselves will be between -1 and 1. So the closer to 1 you are, the higher the correlation, meaning that there's a high probability that you would actually enjoy this meal. So for the presentation today, we'll look at Thea Stone. And basically for her, she's had the peanut tofu, the sloppy jack, and the spicy buffalo. So from what she's had and what she hasn't had, given the correlation coefficient, which is item-based, we see that for a vegan burger, the Midtown Melt is basically, there's a high correlation there. So given that she hasn't had the vegan burger yet, we predict that for Thea Stone, she would probably rate the vegan burger as a 4.1 if we were to recommend it. So the idea is that if we go here to the actual app itself, as a user, you were able to see, I should probably try the vegan burger or the soup du jour from these restaurants. Right now, the restaurant names are not on the site, but you can see the restaurant ID. As I said, this is still work in progress. And that is my Stackathon. Thank you.